So batik art has been acknowledged as one of the traditional Malaysia culture, especially in Malay tradition. So in process making batik, it has a few techniques like the hand drawing, which is the most highly valued because it needs highly skills and experience to perform. Another technique called stamping, and nowadays most of the manufacturing they are using the printing techniques because it's more time efficient and less error. So later, once we reach at the batik center, there will be a staff who will assist you and introduce you more about the batik, and also you will enjoy the process, how it's going on from a plain fabric into a complete batik. Okay. Also, you will experience a little bit on how to coloring the batik. They will hand over you a brush and you can start coloring. And for those who had an interest on purchasing some batik for as a memories or for a souvenir, you may do so, no problem, because they are selling a lot of varieties design of batiks over there. All the local made batik, the handmade. So from here, actually it's just nearby. We should reach in about 10 minutes, but as you can see, we are not moving.
Hello, we're now at a batik art place where we're going to be doing some traditional batik painting and maybe make some souvenirs to bring home.
Usually, the artist will start off with a white piece of material, either cotton. So cotton is a material. So this piece is a pure silk material. Artists with this pen instrument called charm technique. So giving to her perfect wax, using artist's imagination to draw out the design freely. No drum, just painting. So finish drawing. She will use a normal brush and natural dye, choosing the colors. The purpose of the perfect wax to stop the colors from going to the other side. So finish coloring, then this material will be dipped into sodium silicate solution to fix the color. Then we dip into hot water to remove the wax. So the wax will wash away. You can see all the outlines will become white. Because we are from white material started. So this is a free-hand drawn batik. It's different. Just one design is one. We don't have the repeat one. So this for the scarf. Okay. So there are three pieces scarf here. Scarf.
So you can take a look. This on the wall here. These are all process paintings. So it goes through the same method, right? So you can have a feel. The wax is already removed. So it just becomes like a piece of fabric. So you can wash and iron them. It's all safe. colors and design will be the same on both sides. So that's how you know it's original hand drawn. Okay, so either you can hang them as a painting, or you can also do a simple top. So you tie 2 knots here, and then you can do a simple, right? Or you can also do a simple flower. Put this here, take this end and then twist this back in the middle, and then you shake it. Then you can do right. And then this one is a 2-meter silk sarong or pario. Okay. So you can do a skirt. Just take the end here. To the side. And a dress. Okay, so we give the instructions as well with every purchase, so you can go ahead and take a look around. Okay, thank you.
So I really like the color of this fabric. It's really quite vibrant and they're really great. And like the designs on them are really quite cool. I love the whole, Middle Eastern and like Asian fusion thing that's happening here. Would I make this a stop on the tour? Maybe, maybe not. It's maybe like a shopping stop. Although seeing the process was kind of cool. If you want to come check it out, I guess it's worth it. You can come check it out for yourself and pick up a few things for your friends or your family. And yeah, you'll be really taken back by all the bright colors they use here, and that's how nice the fabric is. So that's going to be wrapping up the tour at the Batik printing shop. We'll go on to the next location. Bye.